Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brocanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will be doing an exterior LED bulb upgrade on my 2015 Chevy Silverado. So these are the LED bulbs that I'll be installing. These come from a company called LastFit, and these are the switchback turn signal LED bulbs. Now these are CAN bus ready, which means they do not need an external driver to operate. These are the T10 LED bulbs. Now these have multiple uses. You can use these for interior lighting, for like the dome light, map light, trunk and cargo lights, and also license plate lights. Now for this application, I'll be using these for the license plate lights. Next are these T15 LED bulbs. Now these also have multiple uses. You can use this for a backup light, your reverse light, trunk light, or cargo light. For this application, I'll be using this for the reverse lights. The second set will be used for the cargo lights. And finally, the T15R LED bulb. Now, these are specifically used for your third brake light. The R signifies red. So on the third brake light, there's only one bulb, so I'll be only using one of these bulbs for that application. These also are CAN bus ready. All right, gang, well, that's what we got to work with. When the installation is done, I'll go ahead and do a before and after comparison. Like always, I'll have helpful captions throughout the video. With that said, let's start brocanicking. gang, there you have it. As you've seen in the comparison, these last fit LED bulbs are definitely brighter. What makes these LED bulbs stand out is the engineering behind each of the bulbs. The T-Series switchback LED bulbs have a built-in microceramic resistor that solves the decoding issues that causes error codes, that hyperflash condition, and also interference with the backup camera. These bulbs are definitely brighter. Last fit boasts up to 500% brighter than standard halogen bulbs. But most of all, what I really like about these LED bulbs is that they're just plug and play. I mean, there's nothing extra you need to do except to make sure that these bulbs are oriented properly, that the polarity, is correct. If you find that one of these bulbs don't turn on or don't work, what you need to do is you need to pull the bulb out, flip it over to adjust the polarity and plug it back in, and it should come back on. Now, these are not bi-directional, and they're directional, so you have to make sure that you have them oriented properly. I'd also like to give a big shout out to Last Fit for sponsoring this video. Really appreciate them giving me the opportunity to do an install and review. Now, I'll have a link in the description below where you can get these LED bulbs, and also a discount code where you can save on your first purchase and future purchases. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is your Mechanic. Aloha.